We cater for near on 2,000 children every week, delivering gymnastics and gymnastics-related activities. The sessions that we run, the bilingual sessions, they're really positive and the response has been absolutely fantastic. The coaches that we've got, as well as being bilingual, they're also really positive and engaging with the young people, which we find is actually the most important thing. The classes have been really popular, they're always full and we've got a waiting list, and the feedback that we get from the parents in particular is positive. They love the fact that children have the opportunity to practice their Welsh outside of the school environment, whether they're young people who are educated through the medium of Welsh or young people who learn Welsh as part of the school curriculum within an English medium school. The children are fully engaged in their sessions, they love working with our coaches, they love having the opportunity again to practice their Welsh, and we found particularly with the youngsters they are more familiar with some of the gymnastics and PE terminology through the medium of Welsh. For example, a bench, they learn the Welsh version in school, whereas we then teach the English version, so actually it enables them to develop their understanding a little bit further.
Dwylo lawr, hands down i wneud cylchoedd mawr yn mynd nôl, big circles. Da iawn. Dwi'n arwain y sesiwn yn Gymraeg a mae yna hyfforddwr arall gyda fi sy'n helpu hefyd. Reit, ni chael cadw traed yn pwyntio, ymestyn y coesau, stretch those legs. Dwi'n rhoi cyfrifiadau trwy'r Cymraeg ac yn ailadrodd yn Saesneg hefyd i sicrhau bod pawb yn deall beth i'n wneud. Ers i ni dechrau, mae'r niferwydd wedi codi. Mae'r sesiwn ni yn poblogaidd iawn, a mae'r hyfforddwyr eraill sydd ddim yn rhugl yn y Cymraeg wedi gwella lot, dysgu llawer o geiriau a maen nhw'n rili mwynhau. Herwydd llwyddiant y sesiynau, fi'n gobeithio ehangu fel bod ni'n gallu cynnal y sesiwn ar noson arall. Mae'n mor bwysig fod y plant o ysgolion Gymraeg yn yr ardal yma yn cael cyfleoedd i cymdeithasu yn defnyddio'r Cymraeg tu fas i'r ysgol mwyn gwella eu iaith.
Benefits me as well as the kids, because I used to be in a Welsh primary school, lost all of the Welsh language, and then starting this again and working with Rhiannon allows me to sort of jolt my memory a bit in the Welsh language. I'm not just teaching them skills in Welsh, I'm sort of learning it myself.
Sharon, bendigedig.
If someone does anything good, there'll be a Diane or a bendigedig.